everybody. You noticed the other day I showed you the stripper clips for the 8mm Mauser and wasn't sure if there would be a chance to show you how to load it. I've got the PPU ammo here. I'm only going to take one round here. Well, I might as well do all 5 because the Mauser takes 5 rounds. And I'm going to just slip them in here as if I was going to put it in the rifle, but the rifle's nowhere to in this room. For safety reasons, I'm not going to be loading the rifle. We have too many people screaming now about unsafe practices, that they're wanting to limit our freedom of speech, limit our use of everything. But just like that, now you're ready to go hunting deer, bear, elk, ram, and put meat in your freezer and on your table. But let's say you wanted to just go target practicing. You can do that too and put a lot of holes in paper. I don't mind shooting a target or two that it's made of paper. That is if I can hit the broadside of a barn. But wait, there's more. How about some 124 grain 9mm bullets for home defense? It's a hollow point put out by SIG. I'm not advertising for them. I'm just showing their ammo. I bought some myself at our local sporting goods store. I'm not going to mention their name either because I'm not advertising for them. I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube because it's not one of their advertisers. But it is in a reloadable casing. I guess I'm going to have to get a reloader. I can't show you how to do that anymore. But that's through a gel that they show this slug here. That was shot into a gel block so they could pull it out and show off the slug after it's been fired. But they call this a V-crown. There's several handgun loads out there. I thought I'd see how this works through a high point. Hopefully it does. I've yet to take the high point out to do any target practicing. So there's this ammo video. I'd like to get some more PPU, but we'll see what happens with that. You all have a good night now. Bye-bye.